Brønsgaard, and I'm Chief Manager here on Solrød Biogas Plant in Denmark. This biogas plant is 1 year old. It's built in 2014 till 2015, where we started the plant up. We filled liquid in, and now we are here in 2016, we are in full gas production. The ingoing material of the biogas plant is manure. That's about 50,000 ton. That's eluate. It's about 60,000 ton. That's pectin. It's about 80,000 ton, and then some seagrass, about 7,000 ton. All these things are mixed together and pumped into the digesters, where we have the bacterium that produce methane gas. These 6 million cubic meters of methane gas is going down to a local heat power plant, where they have a gas engine that produces heat, and it's running a generator that's produces electricity that is sold to the grid. The rest product from all these ingoing materials is a liquid product that are going out and back to the farmers, where the farmers use it as fertilizer. They could have used manure, but now they are also using this biomass. They could also have used the fertilizer they buy, produce on oil and gas. So we actually convert this one also. The environmental success for this here is happy guests down at the beach, because the seagrass doesn't smell anymore. It's happy neighbors to the farmers, because the manure, the fertilizer the farmers use don't smell anymore. It's the groundwater, because we have made the fertilizer much better for the plant, so that we don't wash the fertilizer down to the groundwater. So it's actually a cleaner drinking water. So I would say it's a total win-win situation for all.